Today we present 5 common issues in portable air conditioning units that are easy to resolve. Issue number 1. Full drain pan. When the drain pan in a portable unit is full, the water level or float switch detects excess liquid, and the air conditioner protects itself by shutting off the compressor to prevent overflow. To fix this, check the drain pan at the back of the unit, remove the plug, and ensure it's completely empty without any obstructions. Verify the proper operation of the level switch or float switch. This is especially important in humid environments. Issue number 2. Hot air exhaust. When installing a portable air conditioning unit, pay attention to the hot air exhaust. Make sure the duct kit for directing hot air outside is properly installed without any bends or obstructions. A poorly placed duct kit can increase the temperature in the condenser and lead to shutdowns due to high pressure and temperature. Issue number 3. Faulty room sensor. The room sensor, which measures the returning air temperature, can cause the air conditioner to turn on and off too frequently if it's defective. Check the correct placement of the temperature sensors or thermistors. You can test it by separating the sensor and rubbing it to apply heat to see if the on/off frequency decreases. It should reduce the shutdown frequency because the sensor detects excess heat and should not send the shutdown command. If not, replace the sensor with a good one. Issue number 4. Clogged condenser coil. The condenser coil can become obstructed with dirt, as can the fan that circulates the air. It's essential that when performing maintenance on the portable air conditioning unit, you carefully clean the condenser coil and the fan. These parts are hard to access, but their cleanliness is crucial to prevent frequent shutdowns and startups due to rising temperature. It's important to remember that in case of any issues, you should always check the filters as they trap ambient dust and are crucial for the proper operation of the unit. Issue number 5. Faulty electrical capacitors. If the compressor capacitor is in poor condition, the compressor cannot start, and the cooling cycle won't initiate. If the electrical capacitor for the condenser fan, where the hot air is expelled, is losing capacity, the fan will rotate more slowly, causing the condenser to heat up and the cooling cycle to shut off, leaving the system in fan mode until the pressures decrease. Replace the capacitors with identical ones and check if the issue persists.